Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Muskan Marketing. This is an exclusive wholesale and retail outlet of chocolates. Minimum online 5,000, but when you come to his outlet, you can buy as much as you want. This comes in a street called Patloonpet, which comes nearby Chickpet metro station, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. The landmark is this Chickpet metro station. You can just check the board. This Chickpet metro station. Right next to that, there is a street. From here, just follow the location. When you come a little bit further, you can just check. This is a left you have to take. This is a big left. There is a temple, orange color. Right opposite to this is a street. Inside this street you have to go. When you come a little bit further, you can just check. There is a left. This left you have to take. Right opposite to this complex, there is a left. Inside this street, in dead end you have to go. Then is you come little bit forward, you can just check. Here is outlet is Muskan Marketing, and it comes in a complex called RR Market. So this RR Market, and just check the stock. All types of chocolates you'll get. Whatever chocolates you're looking, all trending chocolates you'll get here. And here you can just see Monster, Red Bull, energy drinks, whatever is latest trending energy drinks, that also you'll get all wholesale price. And they are into this business for many years. Total wholesale outlet this is. And number is on video screen. If you want to know any more detail, WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all detail. Minimum 5,000 online, no single piece, no retail online. Online minimum 5,000, but when you come to his outlet, you can buy single piece. So this is outlet, you can just have a look. All types of chocolates you will get. Amazing collections of chocolates. This is one of the best place I like for chocolate, because you get all types of chocolate and you're getting for wholesale price. This is a wholesale outlet. For wholesale price you're getting trusted place, and I've done almost 4-5 videos with them, and a lot of people from YouTube, they buy over here. So very great opportunity if you want to start a business of chocolate, or you want to buy for yourself, for family, for corporate. You will get all types of chocolate here. Number is on video screen. WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all details. I'm going to show you some chocolates. This all is Dairy Milk box. You can just check. Kit Kat is here. Sneakers, Munch, Orbit, Kit Kat boxes, Milky Bar, Mentos, Chupa Chups, Dark Fantasy chocolates, Bounty. You'll get small, big, both. And this is also one more American dollars. Dairy Milk, whatever is all latest, you will get here. You can just have a look. This all is Dairy Milk. Kit Kat again, and then more chocolates. All latest trending chocolates are here. You will get chewing gum also, like Center Fresh, Center Fruit, Perk, you name it, they have it. One of the best place for chocolate in Bangalore, and you can consider in India also. And like this, all the almond chocolates you can just see, very famous. All these almond chocolates. And if you want like this mouth fresheners also, you'll get. Nutella is there. So in chocolates, if you want anything, each and everything you'll get. And then if you want corporate gifts, like this corporate family gifts, chocolates also you'll get. You can just have a look like this. If you want just 5 piece is there. If you want bigger, like 6 piece also you'll get. So in this also a lot of varieties are there. This is a king size. You can just see, I'll just show. If you want something like this, you want to gift for family, now Diwali, all festival is coming. So these kind of chocolates also you'll get, all wholesale price. In this also like this, you can just see varieties are there. Gift, if you want for home, for corporate purpose, for gift purpose, all types of chocolates you will get here. Very nice place. And if you want some chocolates like this, which are fast moving, like Center Fresh, Mentos, Froppy, this Pulse, Center Fruit, strawberry flavors, Boomer, you name it, they have it. If you want like this, you can buy for yourself also. If you want in bulk, you can buy in bulk also. So these are the regular toffees, chocolate and all. And then if you want something like bigger one like this packaged chocolate. In this also lot of varieties are there. Just check. You'll get all types of brands, big brands you'll get. That too for wholesale price. Like this packets you'll get. And that too, this is wholesale price. So number is on video screen. WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all details. And they open 7 days a week. Monday to Sunday they open. Morning to evening they open. So you can WhatsApp, video call. If you want like this jelly chocolates, this all is jelly. You can just see packet one. So this also you'll get over here. All types of chocolate, whatever you're looking. Each and every chocolate you'll get. This all are the packets. You can just see again. This is also one packet. Eclairs like this. If you want small, big. In this also, lot of varieties you will get. High quality place for wholesale price. All leading brands you will get. Ferrero Rocher. So if you're looking for Ferrero Rocher, in this also lot of varieties are there. If you want small box you will get. Price will be big difference. This is a big one. So if you want something like this also you will get. Number of pieces are more in this. Number of quantity is more. If you want like this, you can just see these kind of buckets. This all are chocolate buckets. It's all mixed chocolates in this. So like this also mixed chocolates you'll get. Then if you want for kids chocolate toys also, lot of varieties are there. You can just see this is one variety, then this is one variety, and whatever brands are there you'll get here. This all is for kids. Just have a look. Different varieties of chocolates for kids, like a toy. One is in football shape, like different shape. This is for kids and all. And here the price is different. In retail outlets is different. So this all you're getting for wholesale price. And if you're looking like this Barbie, which is for kids and all, Kinder Joy, you will get here. All big leading brands you will get here. Again, this Coca Train, you can just see like this also you'll get. This one also you'll get. You can just see tamarind chocolate. These are Desi Pops, tamarind flavor, mango flavor. And one more is Real Arm. That is also mango flavor. So in these two flavors comes very popular nowadays. This is candies also you'll get. This all is for wholesale price. You can just see it. Again, this for kids and all. It's a big chocolate bar. You can just see the chocolate bar. Wow. Such a big chocolate bar here. This is very nice. Price I cannot tell since his business gets affected. That's the reason I'm not telling price. You WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all detail. That's the reason I'm not telling. Munch. This is Pringles like this. Old fashioned. And again, this is sprinkles which you put on cake and like ice cream and all they'll put, right? So like this also in these flavors you will get. One is pineapple flavor, mango flavor, strawberry flavor, orange flavor, blueberry flavor, and whatever new flavor is there, that will be keep updating. And this is Amul dark chocolate. Again, in these two flavors are there. You can just have a look. There are two flavors. Prices again, WhatsApp, video call. They'll send you all details. And this Kinder Joy box like this. You can just have a look. Cadbury Fuse. Before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having amazing collections of chocolates. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you love their collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.